So ever since I was a child, I've always been inspired by science. I grew up on a lake, and my mom just gave me a bucket and told me to go out and play. And so a lot of times that involved me going out catching frogs and catching turtles and always being on the lake. And so it is really fun to be able to go out on the lake again and kind of relive my childhood and do what I'm used to and what I did growing up.
And then 6. All right, so now we have to clear the ice.
Okay, I'll get a shovel.
I'm a junior here. I am majoring in biology and minoring in environmental science. UMD has a lot of hands-on learning experiences through classroom settings.
And so when this is in the up position, it's measuring downwelling light.
Through my lake ecology class, we're actually able to take what we've been learning in the classroom and apply it out in the real world in the middle of winter and be able to do hands-on learning by cutting out the ice, going in the water, taking all these samples. We are using different tools to measure different types of characteristics of a lake. So we are measuring the pH, the light levels, the chlorophyll, and taking water samples, just to name a few. And so one of us usually has a notebook and is recording. I was the recorder out on the first lake, and usually it's 2 or 3 people who are handling the tools and making sure it doesn't fall in because that's expensive equipment. Something that always inspires me and I always kind of keep telling myself is there's so much to learn. And it is really true. There is so much out there in the universe that's waiting to be discovered, and that's what always kind of inspires me to keep learning and keep striving to push myself academically, as there is so much to learn. UMD has been a great fit for me academically, as I do get that push in the classroom and in the labs, as I'm able to take what I learn through a textbook and apply it in the real world.
So here's how it goes. Little phytoplankers, they are the sunshine bankers, out in the deep blue sea, growing, that's ecology. Definitely in the mood now. So that'll be on the final exam.